Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to use an armature. At your table you're going to find tin foil, Sharpies, pencils, and some tape. There's 3 rolls of tape, so please make sure to share. You're going to start by taking your tin foil and laying it in the middle of your seed spot. Each person is going to need a different type of armature. If you're doing a person, it's going to look different than if someone's doing just a head. So first I'm going to show you how to do a person. So I have my Sharpie here and I'm going to do a line roughly about here. So 2 lines that are going to help you make the arm, head, and arm. I know it sounds a little crazy right now, but you're thinking about how you're making the armature body. Now I need the legs, so right in between those 2 lines, I'm going to draw an invisible line and make a line for the legs. I didn't go all the way because this part is going to be the body. Now I'm going to put my Sharpie away and I need a scissor. So now I have my 3 lines. I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to cut all the way till I get to that point. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I see that I have the arms, the head, and the legs. I'm going to slowly start to squeeze those pieces to help make my shape. So you can start to kind of see the legs taking form. I'm going slowly so I'm not getting confused. Wow, kind of magical. So now I have my pieces. If it looks like it's starting to fall apart in any areas, that's where your tape's gonna come in handy. So I'm just gonna tape up any parts that I need to. I can reposition the body, like if I want it going like this, or I can reposition the body if I'm doing a split. Let's say I'm doing Simone Biles for my monument, and she's doing a split. So now I need to secure her to my base. This is the base, say base. And I need to make sure that she's not wiggling at all. And maybe these arms are just like a little bit too long, so I can trim any parts that I need to. So now I have the base, but wait, I need to check that she's not falling apart, so I'm going to secure her just a little bit more. So that's the person. If I was doing an animal, say I am caring about the environment, I'm going to take my Sharpie again, and this time I need 4 lines. There will be a guide for you to help you know where to draw if you get confused. So you have a rectangle shape with your tin foil, and you're just drawing 4 lines. So this 4th line is going to be the tail. If your animal doesn't have a tail, you don't need to draw that 4th line. And I can bend it. Say I was doing an elephant, I would need more tin foil. So I'm gonna get more tin foil. And I can add on parts with the tin foil. So for example, the elephant's going to need ears. So I'm just sculpting those ears. and a trunk. So I have the ears and the trunk. And the body of the elephant actually is a lot bigger, so I want to wrap around more tin foil for the body. But keep in mind, you don't want to make it too thick because you're going to be covering it in plaster. If you were making a head, for example, you would need a big ball. So this could be the head, and then you would need to make the shoulders for the head. And then you would tape it all together. You're gonna need to do some problem solving for you to be able to do your monument. You might have to explore changing the tinfoil and seeing how you can shape it and squeeze it to make the shape of your design. So this would be like a head.